I'm Denny Martin. I'm a organization development and leadership consultant. I've focused my practice on coaching senior people in organizations. And I'm a part of the Grayhall organization. Recently, I had an opportunity to talk with Pat Jackson, who is the Omni Media editorial director at Grayhall. And we had a conversation that I found really interesting about leadership development, coaching, and organization development. And that there is an art and a science to coaching that can really benefit individuals and organizations. All too often, coaching is seen as something that is a benefit to just the individual. And while it's true that it can greatly benefit individuals who are very, very successful in what they do and yet have some aspects to who they are and how they show up in organizations that can be improved on, we all can, there is also a big benefit to the organization in the fact that those leaders can focus on the strategic initiatives that are so important for senior people to have as a part of their daily activity rather than dealing with the day-to-day fires. In some cases, which they help ignite in terms of behaviors that they'd like to improve. And we've all looked back on things we've said or done and said, I wish I'd have said or done that differently. What coaching can do is create a safe conversation for people in senior positions, to have a thought partner work with them, to explore alternatives, to look at different ways of doing things, that they might be more effective and more efficient and productive in what they do in their leadership roles. And frankly, provide excellent modeling to the people that are going to be the leaders of the future in the organizations in which they reside. And so this combination of leadership development, organization development, and executive coaching can be a very powerful tool for senior leaders. One of the things that distinguishes managers from leaders, and I love this phrase, is that managers give answers. Leaders ask questions. I think one of the aspects of leadership that I love coaching people around is becoming more curious about what's going on in their organization. Not from a gotcha place, but from a place of learning. The people who are closest to the work that they do in organizations many times have insights that are unavailable to senior people. Senior folks in organizations at higher levels really do have a hard time getting good, solid information about what's going on. It's difficult for them to receive feedback. And so the more questioning they do, the more eliciting and soliciting that they do from others around ideas, around opinions, around alternative ways of doing things, I think leadership can be far more effective. And most of the people in senior positions today are highly skilled at what they do. And that, like all of us, they can find aspects of how they interact with other people that they could work on, that they could improve, and that they could take to another level. That's what coaching can do. It isn't the answer to all organization problems, but what it can do is put leaders into a position to be more effective at what they do and to do the things that they do from a leadership perspective in a more conscious and deliberate way, minimizing some of the needless conflict that can occur around missed communication, around conflicts that aren't handled well or creatively. And so I'd like to encourage you to check out or listen to, if you will, the conversation that Pat Jackson and I had relative to this topic. It's on the Grayhall website, and I'd invite you to look at that presentation, at that conversation, and take away from it what might be valuable for you. Again, my name is Denny Martin. You can reach me through the Grayhall website, and thanks for a few minutes of your time.